Hi everybody, so I'm back. I'm going to show you today how to do just an easy updo. I figure since everybody's home, we're probably all tired of just throwing our hair back in a ponytail. So this is a knot that was introduced, I don't know, maybe in the early 90s, late 80s by our late Martin Parsons, and I'm just going to pass it on to you today. So what I'm going to do first is you're going to want to divide your hair into two parts. And when you do that, you want to make sure that both parts are fairly the same thickness. If one seems a little bit lighter, just add a little bit more. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the two pieces, like this, and you're just going to tie knots. So start, you just put your hand through, you tie one knot. Now what I do is I usually go the other way because you're going to find that your hair is going to get shorter on one side. So when it does that, just switch it over. So just tie knots, that's all you're doing. Knot after knot, as far down as you can go. Then you're going to get a little elastic and you're going to tie it off. And then once that is done, all you're going to do is you're going to roll it up. You're going to roll it up. You can fan it out a little bit, and then you're going to put some bobby pins in. So the secret about a bobby pin is do not open them. Most people want to put the flat side down, put the bumpy side down because it holds in better. So grab a little bit of hair, put it in, get another bobby pin and crisscross it. That's what's going to support it and give it the strength to stay there. You're going to do it on one side, and then you're going to do it on the other side as well. Grab a bit of hair, cross it over. Now I felt my bobby pin cross on there. So sometimes if you have more than one bobby pin, you don't always have to crisscross because they cross on their own. You can just put it in, do that again. So there we are. So that is quick and easy. Looks a little bit better than a ponytail. Now you can do this as a little messy right here. You can pin it, you can pull it like this, make it look a little softer. If the little gap there bothers you, you know, I am going to open my bobby pin this time, but you can just go in like this and pin that like that. So we have just something simple for around the house for what instead of a ponytail, since we're all inside. And I have one other one that I'm going to show you, which is also a knot, but it's going to be two. So divide the hair in half. You have one side and the other side. Same idea. We're going to divide it and we're going to tie knots. Again, make sure these are pretty equal in thickness. If one's a little thinner, just add or take away. So again, you're going to do a knot. You're going to do a knot. And this is where one side gets a little bit shorter. So I'm going to kind of flip it over and do a knot this way. And do a knot. And again, you just keep on going down till you really can't go any further. You're going to tie it. And you're going to do the same with the other side. I'm usually standing. However, this table's too short. So you're going to divide it in half. You're going to knot. You're going to knot. Now I'm going to switch because you can see one side's getting shorter than the other. And you're going to continue going down again until you basically can't get any further. And then you're going to put an elastic in it, which I have right here. All right, so what we're going to do now, if you want to loosen it, you just take a little bit from the ends and just pull it, loosen it, soften it up however you want. Don't forget, we are staying at home. You're only impressing probably your pets. So we're going to slide this over here like this. Get your bobby pin. Remember, do not open it. Take a bit of hair, hold it, grab another bobby pin, and you're going to crisscross them so it stays into place. Don't worry about this little piece because I'll tuck it in after. We're going to do the exact same thing on this side. You can bring it over on top or you can bring it over underneath, however you want to do it. And you're going to pin it in again, hold it, Get your other bobby pin, and don't forget, put the bumpy side down towards the scalp, not the smooth side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take this little piece here. I'm going to open up my bobby pin. I'm going to put the hair in it, wrap it around, and then I'm just going to hide it in behind here. And then you can pull it apart a little bit. Do it gently. You can pull out these little pieces of hair here, make it kind of messy. And there we go. That is another little simple updo knot instead of a ponytail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this new Firm Control hairspray from Numa, which is a firm spray, which I will talk about later, and I'm going to spray this down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this till tomorrow, and when I take it out, I'm going to show you how you can get almost 2 dos out of 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. See you later.